I got that whole wall done, the niche all done, and we're ready to move. I don't know, y'all notice how I done that niche? Did y'all figure out that trick? And let me show you, you want to put a niche in, you gotta hang that tile where it's just gonna hang in midair. This is the way you do it. You cut you up your box that you saw come in or something else, and you just make you something that's big enough that fits perfectly in there to make that thing square and perfect. So once the tile's all pulled out, we'll pull all this out, and we can tile the inside, put the trim in, and we'll be done with the niche. So hey, that's the way you do that. Probably the best idea I've seen since I've been looking for tile ideas. That one right there. That works. Y'all be good. Let's get this done. Wall from there all the way to there, and it's got this bottom pattern like that, and that, and that, and that, right out into the sky. There we go.